Hi, today we are discussing about Axis Bank's quarter 2 results which came out on Friday. It was a stellar quarter for Axis Bank with marked improvement in asset quality. And as you can see in the exhibit, the net profit grew by close to 83% at 790 crore. So what were the other highlights of the result? First and foremost, it was the decline in slippage, which fell to rupees 2,777 crore, down from rupees 4,337 crore in the previous quarter. And 39% of the slippage came from the corporate side. And what is interesting is that 88% of this came from their watch list. And the watch list, which is BB and below book, is now down to 1.7% of customer assets. The other important takeaway from the result was an improving NIM trajectory, which is the interest margin trajectory. While the headline number looked to be a 10 basis points sequential decline, but if one excludes the 17 basis points ad hoc impact on IBC account in the previous quarter, margin actually improved and the trajectory looks up. The other important highlight of the result was the steady performance on the business front. While headline growth in advances was only 11%, the domestic business actually grew by 15%, and deposits also grew by 15% with a CASA share of close to 48%. Axis Bank is also de-risking its book. Now 79% of the outstanding corporate advances and 95% of incremental lending is going to corporates rated A and above. The same picture is seen in the SME book as well. Consequently, the ratio of risk-weighted assets to total advances have now fallen to close to 72%. On the fee side, the fee income is also getting granular with 82% contribution coming from retail and transaction banking. Now the key question is what to do with the stock. We are extremely comfortable with the strong liability franchise of Axis Bank. The bank is extremely well capitalized with capital adequacy ratio at 16.17% and hence in an ideal position to take advantage of the weak competition from public sector banks as well as NBFC. Hence, we are very comfortable with the valuation at 2 times FY20 book and recommend a buy on the stock. Thanks for watching, and for more news and update, do log on to moneycontrol.com.